Hi there, Virendra dear, present before you with some great thoughts, some noble thoughts. These are wonderful ideas which can really transform your life. It will fill your mind, heart, and soul with tremendous self belief, self confidence that you are born great, you are blessed with the power of the brain, and if you have the courage and if you have the burning desire to become great and successful and take possessions of every beautiful thing on earth, name, fame, love, fortune, blessedness, serenity, and everything what can make the journey of your life very pleasant. And not only that, with these achievements you will be rendering immense service to the mankind, and you will have the right to be respectable, honorable, and great serviceable. For these beloved friends, you have to do but one thing, that is the discovery and perception of the truth that you are the maker of yourself by virtue of the thought you choose and encourage in your mind. And your mind is the master weaver, both to the inner garment of character and also the weaver of the outer garment of the circumstances. And maybe that till now you have not done great by thinking, having a definite purpose, not having the courage to go extra mile, take personal initiative with a positive mental attitude. But now you will make alliance with the best brains and will plan for very, very great goals in life with purpose which is fixed and backed by a burning desire, persevering, persisting with conviction, belief and faith, willpower and determination to scale any height in your life, and all these dreams will become soon reality. But you have to start thinking. The thought in the mind has made us. What we are by thought was wrought and built. That is the true secret. A man is literally what he thinks about. His character being the complete sum of total his thoughts. As said great Ralph Waldo Emerson, a man is what he thinks all day long, and said great Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, a man is what he thoughts makes of it. And when Earl Nightingale wrote The Strangest Secret, he also suggested by studying all the history of greats, from the poets, authors, thinkers, prophets and the wise men, the savior of the planet Earth, that you become what you think about. And the greatest victory of a man is conquering his own self by complete discipline, a balanced mind, well-directed and controlled mind towards the attainment of the noble thoughts, and he has the right to reach any digi, glory, any greatness and all the abundance of opulence, prosperity and success. So the theme of my talk is that your thought can make you whatever you want. By great thought, you can become great. By wrong thought, you can become very small. So just start thinking, because the life has to be enjoyed, healthy, happy, wealthy, wise, serviceable, honorable, free from all fret, worries and anxieties. And for this there is only one thing that can really make you attain all these heavenly blessings on this planet Earth. If you are really giving shelter to the evil and devil thoughts, you are inviting nothing but sorrows, grief, pain, because this negative mental attitude is just the origin of all the suffering, sorrows like envy, greed, anger, hatred, cynicism. And a person who is ignorant and he is inviting all this negative thinking, his life will be just hell. he can never have any peace of mind, always poverty, suffering, because he is a sinner, because he is sowing the seed of all those monsters which will destroy him and will really ruin his life. A man can make really the heavenly mansion by thinking noble thoughts and striving, seeking and finding ways to attain that, where there is energy, enthusiasm, strength, prosperity, opulence and all the blessedness, because God favors only a person who follows the path of truth and justice, peace, love and non-violence. If you look around the world and think upon it, you will find that it is shadows by suffering and scorched by the fierce fire of suffering, shadowed by sorrows and fierce fire of suffering is the creed of the people who are devil in thinking. So, beloved friends, take control of your thought. Start trying to understand the various cause which really creates the fact of all the sorrows, all the suffering. And also try to understand the reason why we can be great and happy. And that is very, very clear. There is only one law, that is law of love. There is only one life which can bring you all this greatness, is once you are adhering to and enduring the universal law of love, peace and non-violence. And if you really have a conquered mind and a calm and quiet heart, you really create the background, and your foundation is just like this rock, where you can create a great empire of your all foundations of greatness and success. So remember it very well. Your mind is a real universal power, and if the mind is sown the seed of all great and noble thoughts, you are going to create an empire of heavenly abode, of heavenly blessedness. That is the true secret of success of any great man. And once you have done this, you will have the right on riches, on any heavenly blessings, what you can strive and seek, and definitely will find it. That's why all the greats become so great. Though the walls of granite will intervene, you will have to meet lot of suffering, sorrow, grief and pain, because nature will not give you anything free. There is no such reality, something for nothing. Everything has its own price, but the price is worth paying, because the rewards, because the success and the blessedness you are going to get out of your all this price is worth attaining. Anything worth having on this planet Earth is really worth attaining. And beloved friends, I will remind you what James Allen said. Mind is the master power that molds and makes. Mind is the master power that molds and makes, and man is mind, and evermore he takes the tools, shaping what he wills, will bring forth 1,000 joys and 1,000 ills. Man thinks in secret, but it comes to pass. The environment is but his looking glass. Beloved friends, this outside circumstances, conditions and environment is just the reflection of your inner thoughts. If a man always thinks evil, negative, destructive, he will have a very miserable environment, conditions and circumstances. But if a man always thinks about truth and justice, peace, love and non-violence, mind will also create an environment for him which will be definitely reflecting the inner thought of his beauty, serenity, calmness, blessedness, and he will enjoy heavenly blessings, full with strength, energy, all the power, love, fame, and everything what he need to lead the journey of life in a very graceful manner. So my whole thing is that by meditation, meditation of love, meditation of pity, meditation of serenity, meditation of impurity, and meditation of joy, if you keep on thinking all these 5 great meditations, dwelling on those things which can really bring you from darkness to life, and peace will be a permanent abode in your heart, mind and soul. That's the great teaching of Buddha, the 5 great meditations. So that thought will create a heaven for you, and all the outward conditions and circumstances will be reflection of your day's great thoughts. So start controlling your thought, and directly proportional will be your environment, your conditions, your circumstances, and you will be an inspiration for the millions. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. We have not wings, we cannot soar, but we can really have fates. By slow degrees and more, we can climb the dizzy heights in our life. That is true secret. Beloved friends, so what I suggest you, be a great man, be a brave man, and start thinking in the right direction, and then this refulgence, radiant brightness of wisdom will shower on you, and you can be one of the greatest person on this planet Earth. Control your thought, control your destiny. That is only the message this your servant Virendra Dear says you. Dwell in the thought upon the grandest, and the grandest you shall be. Fix your mind upon the highest, and the highest you shall be. Evil is the thought that thinks it, good the thought that makes it so. Light and darkness, sin and pureness, likewise out of thinking grow. That is my sincere request. Think great, think beautiful, think serene, think, and you become what you think about. You have absolute control on your thought. This is only the things what God has blessed you. The thinking. And by thinking, you can really shape your destiny. Remember it. This is a universal truth. This is a universal truth, beloved friends. You are a being of love, power,